Hear us a harsh truth about fitness you're not ready for. You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or hours of free time to get in the best shape of your life. In fact, most people don't realize this, but your brain has been lying to you about what it takes to build a strong, healthy body. It tells you that fitness is complicated, expensive, and inconvenient. But what if I told you the opposite is true? Psychologists call this the action bias. Our tendency to favor complex solutions over simple ones, because we mistakenly believe complexity equals effectiveness. And once you understand it, you'll see why you've been putting off your fitness goals. Your relationships with your body, your daily habits, even your confidence. All of it is influenced by this one mental block. The truth is, the most effective workouts are often the simple. They are the ones you can do consistently, anywhere, anytime. Today, we're going to shatter that illusion by giving you 10 simple follow-along routines you can do right at home, with zero equipment. These are beginner-friendly, highly effective, and designed to be so easy to start that your brain will have no more excuses. First up is the 5-minute morning mobility routine. This isn't about breaking a sweat. It's about waking up your body and setting a positive tone for the day. Think of it as a gentle thank you to your joints and muscles for supporting you. We'll start on the floor with some cat-cow stretches to mobilize the spine, flowing smoothly between arching and rounding your back. Then, we'll move into some gentle hip circles, first in one direction, then the other, to lubricate the hip circle. We'll follow that with some torso twists while seated to awaken the core and upper back. Finally, we'll finish standing with some simple neck rolls and shoulder shrugs to release any tension from sleep. Following along with this routine every morning will combat stiffness, improve your posture, and prime your body for the day ahead, all before your coffee is even brewed. It's the smallest, most powerful habit you can build. Next, we have the 10-minute full-body foundation workout. This is your go-to when you're short on time but want to feel like you've worked every major muscle group. It's simple, efficient, and incredibly effective for building a baseline of strength. We'll cycle through 4 key movements: squats, push-ups on your knees or toes, glute bridges, and planks. You'll perform each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by 15-second rest. We'll go through the entire circuit twice. The squats will fire up your legs and glutes. The push-ups will target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. The glute bridges will activate your posterior chain, and the plank will solidify your core. This routine proves that you can get a comprehensive, heart-pumping workout in just 10 minutes, making it perfect for a lunch break or a Predner energy boost. Our third routine is the 7-minute core crusher. A strong core is the secret to better balance, improved posture, and a reduced risk of back pain. It's not about getting it's about building a stable foundation for every movement you make. This no-equipment routine hits your abs, obliques, and lower back from all angles. We'll do a series of exercises for 45 seconds, each with a 15-second rest in between. We'll start with classic crunches, followed by leg raises to target the lower abs. Then, we'll move to bicycle crunches to engage the obliques, and finish with a Superman hold to strengthen the lower back. This quick and fiery circuit is designed to make your core burn in the best way possible, leaving you feeling stronger and more stable in just 7 minutes. Fourth on the list is the 15-minute cardio blast. If you think you need a treadmill or an elliptical to get your heart rate up, think again. This routine is designed to boost your cardiovascular health, burn calories, and increase your endurance using only your body weight. We'll follow a high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, format. The structure is simple: 40 seconds of high-energy work followed by 20 seconds of rest. The exercises will include jumping jacks, high knees, butt kicks, mountain climbers, and burpees. We will cycle through these movements 3 times. This workout is designed to push you, but it's easily scalable. If you're a beginner, you can march instead of running your high knees or step back your burpees instead of jumping. No matter your level, you'll end this 15-minute session feeling breathless, accomplished, and energized. Fifth, let's focus on the lower body with our 12-minute leg glute sculptor. Strong legs and glutes are not just for aesthetics. They power your daily movements, from climbing stairs to lifting groceries. This routine will build strength and definition without a single weight. We'll perform each exercise for 50 seconds, with a 10-second transition time. We'll start with deep bodyweight squats, Then move to alternating lunges to challenge your balance and work each leg independently. Next up are glute bridges, focusing on squeezing at the top to really activate those muscles. We'll follow that with standing calf raises to target the lower legs, and finish with some fire hydrants on each side to hit the outer glutes. 2 rounds of this circuit will have your lower body feeling powerful and stable. Routine number 6 is the 8-minute upper body burn. Many people neglect their upper body if they don't have access to weights, but you can build significant strength using just your own resistance. This workout targets your chests, back, shoulders, and arms in under 10 minutes. We'll begin with push-ups, modified on your knees, or against a wall if needed. Then, we'll flip over for a reverse plank or a tabletop lift to engage the back and shoulders. After that, we'll do pike push-ups, which put more emphasis on the shoulders. We'll finish with tricep dips using the edge of a chair or the floor. We'll perform each move for 45 seconds with 15 seconds of rest, completing 2 rounds. It's a fast and effective way to ensure your upper body doesn't get left behind. For our 7th routine, we have the 10-minute active recovery and stretch. This isn't a workout, it's a work-in. On your rest days or after a tough workout, your body needs gentle movement to help reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. This follow-along session focuses on deep, static stretching. We'll hold each stretch for 30-45 seconds, allowing your muscles to relax and lengthen. We'll move through a full-body sequence including a standing hamstring stretch, a quad stretch, a pigeon pose for the hips and glutes, a cross-body shoulder stretch, and a chest opening stretch against a wall. This routine is your secret weapon for preventing injury, improving your range of motion, and feeling great day after day. It's the quiet work that produces the loudest results. 8 is the 5-minute posture perfector. In our modern lives, we spend hours hunched over desks and phones, leading to rounded shoulders and a forward head position. This quick routine is designed to counteract that slouch. We'll do a series of simple, targeted movements you can even do at your desk. We'll start with wall slides, keeping your arms and back flat against a wall to open up the chest and shoulders. Then, we'll do chin tucks to realign the neck, and scapular squeezes to activate the muscles in your upper back. We'll finish with some thoracic spine extensions over the back of a chair. Doing this daily will train your muscles to hold you in a more upright, confident, and pain-free posture. 9th on our list is the 20-minute low-impact sweat session. This routine is perfect for those who want a great cardio workout without any jumping or jarring movements, making it ideal for beginners, people with joint pain, or anyone living in an apartment with downstairs neighbors. We'll keep the intensity up with continuous, controlled movements. The workout will include exercises like marching in place with arm swings, side-to-side steps with punches, slow-motion mountain climbers, bodyweight good mornings, and standing cross-body crunches. We will flow from one exercise to the next with minimal rest, keeping your heart rate elevated for the full 20 minutes. It's proof that you can get sweaty and feel fantastic without a single jump. Finally, our 10th routine is the 3-minute bedtime wind down. Just as you wake your body up, it's important to wind it down. This ultra-gentle routine is designed to be done right before you go to sleep to release the day's tension and signal to your body that it has time to rest. While sitting or lying in bed, we'll do some gentle full-body stretches, like a lying down spinal twist and a happy baby pose to release the hips and lower back. We'll incorporate deep, diaphragmatic breathing throughout, inhaling calm and exhaling stress. This simple ritual can dramatically improve your sleep quality, helping you recover better and wake up feeling refreshed. It's the perfect, peaceful end to any day.